Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. As you know, I'm not in the Philippines anymore, I'm in Germany right now, so I'm cooking every single day, really a lot, because my children always hungry, want eat always a lot. So today I also in my kitchen I'm cooking, and I decided to make a video how I cook because I've been just in a Russian shop and I bought a lot of hearts. So I decided to make a challenge which kind of cooking my kids will like better. Chicken hearts, what I used to cook all my life in our Latvian style, or these hearts in Filipino adobo style. So I will cook in two ways and children will tell what tastes better for them. Let's go! Okay, that's my hearts. I take half on Latvian way and half on Filipino way. First we have absolutely the same steps. I just prepare these hearts and cut onions. But then there will be absolutely different sauces. In adobo will be soy sauce and vinegar and also garlic. And in Latvian style, you will see what I did there. But for now also a lot of onions. Okay, till this step it was two similar ways of cooking, but now to adobo goes a lot of garlic. Okay, I put here vinegar.
A little bit, yeah?
A little bit. Water because my vinegar is too sour. It's not 6%.
I want to add water.
And I put soy sauce.
This is not too much.
No, it's okay.
Okay. What is this?
So in Filipino style, I put also ginger. And in Latvian, that's secret of Latvian style. Everywhere we put sour cream. It's sour cream from Russian shop, so it will be very tasty. So Latvian style will be white like that, and that's Filipino style.
It is black.
It is a dark brown.
Can you show me?
Looks nice,
Yeah.
but we will not have rice. That's what we have to our hearts. So adobo style is also ready. Okay, that's Filipino style. That's Latvian style. What will children like more?
Can I have some cucumbers?
Cucumbers, okay. These cucumbers made my mom. They are so tasty.
Yeah, they are. This is tasty.
Yes.
No! No!
What do you think?
Tasty.
Latvian style. Okay, you need chew, yeah? You need drink. Dominic said he don't want it because he brush his teeth already.
That's why I put you ready for this soup. Is this tasty?
Try and you will know.
And you?
Everything what your mom cook is tasty, Emma. Everything. What do you think? Which is better? Latvian or Filipino? Adobo or a lot of sour cream?
They too, because it's so like salty.
Sour, sweet, salty, yeah?
Yeah, it's so tasty. I don't know why, but yeah, and this too.
You can choose what is better.
Mm.
Okay, now I should try.
A cucumber.
Cucumber full. Okay, I try. I never cooked hearts as adobo, but when I cooked chicken adobo, someone wrote me in the comments that you can do the same pusong manok.
Мам, ты только это съешь сейчас?
Okay,
This is rice.
it's Russian rice.
Yeah. Я думала, он красный.
It's very tasty. And because of longer cooking, I guess they become such a tender, really soft. Okay, now Latvian style. Yeah, they not so tender as adobo. Actually, I like more adobo. And Emma, after we finished film, she said that a little bit more she like Latvian style, and I a little bit more like Filipino style. So I will definitely cook again. Adobo style. Well, maybe when my mom comes, I will cook that for you, for sure. Okay guys, bye bye!
Bye!